Hey Gustorator, what's the update? Scout's missing dog, please find him. WhatsApp backing off its privacy policy. Technoruhe's proud movement. Delayed to Feb 10 says Total Gaming. PewDiePie had the same situation once that I am facing right now, says YouTube creator. Since childhood, finally met him, tech burner Kiki Ranjit. Then Tommy in it, Dream, Lily Pons. MKPHD shared a memory of the Grafg world record and Fresh replied, "Wait for a week," says Logan Paul. KSI's latest music video and KSI's tweet FaceGum's reply. "I'm hiring editors," says YouTube gaming creator. MrBeast Q&A. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. And those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel and watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon, press all to get the notifications immediately when I post a video. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about Scout. So recently he posted a story in the Instagram about a dog named Nawab which is missing. As in pic, you can see missing dog Nawab, breed Shih Tzu and Lhasa mix. This is the first time I'm reading these names. There might be different kinds of breeds available around the world. Then I checked this name in Google and I got these results. So, sex male, age 3 years, color completely white with brown ears. Nawab has been missing since January 7, 2021 in New Delhi, India. So 50,000 Indian rupees reward. Please help us find him. So if you find this Nawab, then inform to Scout. Oh, such a little cute dog. With his post, he might get his dog soon. Hey Nawab, where are you? Scout YouTube family is searching for you. Come back soon. We are waiting. Do comment below about this update. So the next update is about WhatsApp's backing off its privacy policy. As we already discussed about the WhatsApp privacy policy, and now it's officially stated in the tweet as, "Thank you everyone who reached out. We are still working to counter any confusion by communicating directly with WhatsApp users. No one will have their account suspended or deleted on February 8th, and we will be moving back our business plans until after May." Then in a next tweet, "We will make sure users have plenty of time to review and understand the terms. Rest assured, we never plan to delete any accounts based on this and will not do so in the future." So with this tweet, they stated clearly that they are not going to delete any WhatsApp account in future, which is risky for them, and policy was backed off up to May 2021. Let's see what happened after 2021 May. And it's a trending topic in Twitter, like it got lakhs of tweets with hashtag WhatsApp, and many YouTube creators started making videos on this issue. And it also posted a WhatsApp status of WhatsApp rules and regulations in this morning. So think wisely and take decision. And what's your comment about it? So the next update is about Technoruhes. Technoruhes is an Indian YouTube channel with 2.82 million subscribers and do unboxing of technical gadgets. Had posted a pic which is related to influencer awards and addressing his YouTube family as another proud moment for us, selected as the best product reviewer of the year by Entrepreneur IND. Honestly, there are many deserving tech creators in India than me. I am really thankful and surprised at the same time. Thank you all for supporting me always. So congrats to Technoruhes. So the next update is about Total Gaming. In our previous video, we talked about him and he just made a tweet about his upcoming gaming series as February में new game series start करने की सोच रहा हूँ, which is he's gonna start a new game series in February month. It's a cool update to his YouTube family, but here it is. In the next tweet, भाई लोग live stream इस month शायद नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि फरवरी में न्यू गेम प्ले सीरीज स्टार्ट करने की सोच रहा हूँ, सो उसका प्लानिंग अभी चल रहा है. आई थिंक 10th Feb को फर्स्ट एपिसोड अपलोड कर दूंगा. It's a great news and a little bit sad which he is not gonna make a live stream in this January month completely. And do comment about this update. So the next update is about Triggered Insan. He published a video recently, then it got shadow banned. Then he tweeted explaining what's happening as, "Hello YouTube creators India, YouTube India. Please help. The video I posted yesterday was trending page till morning. It suddenly got removed from page, which is fine, but it also got removed from the subscription page as well, which means literally it's not available. Even he types the full title including commas and full stops, he can't find the video." He also said that this is the second time happened for him, which it's already happened once in the past to the most subscribed individual YouTuber PewDiePie.
I think I got shadow banned from YouTube. Original video is nowhere. That is the worst part. So basically, जैसा PewDiePie भैया के साथ हुआ था shadow ban वाला scene, it seems like हम भी शैडो बैन हो गए.
Hope his video gets back in the search results soon. So what's your comment about this? So links is in the description about the detailed explanation. So the next update is about Geeky Ranjit and Tech Burner. Geeky Ranjit is a YouTube channel with 3.4 million subscribers and is the first Indian YouTube channel which make tech videos in English and first to cross 1 million subscribers and had completed his 10 years journey in the YouTube in this January. And the other guy Tech Burner who's having 4.82 million subscribers and started publishing videos since 2014. So they both met in an occasion after meeting. Tech Burner tweeted as saying he's watching Geeky Ranjit from his childhood and said as बचपन में देखते था आज मिलके मस्त मजा आया. Had a very insightful talk with Geeky Ranjit. So nice to watch them both at one place. Comment below. And the next update is Lily Pons. We already discussed about her in our previous video and now she completed 20 million followers in TikTok, which is banned in India but around the world it's still there. And she thanked her followers in Twitter. Then Dream completed 2 million followers in Twitter. Then Tommy Innit. We recently discussed about him in our previous video that he completed 4 million subscribers on Christmas 2020. But less than a month he completed 5 million subscribers and said I'm listening to the Indiana Jones theme right now. Huge day. Seriously, thank you all so much. Whoa, his family is getting more bigger in less time. A warm congrats for everyone. So the next update is about MKBHD. Marcus Brownlee shared a pic in his Instagram as his follower replied few months ago as I'm 67-year-old granny who discovered your channel when my students started making fun of my flip phone. Your reviews helped me to get with it and eventually impress my students with my knowledge on tech. I still watch although I am retired because I'm hooked on your style. Thank you for your help and congratulations. Wow, it's one of the greatest compliment he ever had. I think so. You can earn money, everything etc. but this is something that can't earn with money. Anyway, congrats to MKBHD for the reply from Granny. Then the next update is the Grefg. The Grefg is a Spain-based gaming YouTube channel with over 16.2 million subscribers, has made world record in Twitch live streaming. As he himself told in a video how did it started and showed the world rankings of different gaming channels in live streams. Like he got a live viewership of 2.4 plus million views for the streaming of Fortnite game and he also got his own skin in that Fortnite. And many YouTube creators responded for the own skin and for 2.5 million views. Among them Fresh is also a gaming YouTube channel which we already discussed in our previous video, had responded and played with that skin in Fortnite in his Twitter handle. This is what we required, a kind of appreciation from fellow creator. And one thing is that the whole Gref Talk episode is only available in Spanish language. So if you know Spanish you can enjoy it. Comment below about 2.5 million views and Fresh playing the game with Grefg skin. So the next update is about Logan Paul. Logan Paul posted a pic in his Instagram stories about his Impulsive show. Impulsive podcast hosted by Logan Paul, Mike and Spencer Taylor, which is having 2.79 plus million subscribers. That this week he is not having any shows in the studio because he said, hey Impulsive fans, after 2 years we are finally renovating the studio. No podcast this week. We are finally upgrading. So the next update is about KSI. KSI, Anne-Marie and Digital Farm Animals made a music video Don't Play which is finally live on Friday and it's now in the top 3 of UK and doing pretty good. And there is a fun happened where KSI posted it as one of the guy gave a single star rating to this Don't Play music video and said it's a banger. Then KSI replied in Insta stories as I'm so confused. He said it's a banger but rated 1 star. He hasn't even heard the song yet. Lamo. And KSI previous single Lighter and Really Love is now Brit certified and KSI posted in his Instagram stories as Really Love is Brit certified silver single and Nathan Daw and KSI's Lighter is Brit certified platinum single. Congrats to KSI. And he tweeted about Ricegum as platinum #1 Ricegum. Then he got a reply from Ricegum as why you tweeting at me? You 3 years late been done that, and he laughed at it. So the next update is about Kwebbelkop. Kwebbelkop is a Dutch YouTuber who speaks English in his gaming YouTube channel. Having 14.1 million subscribers, made a tweet that he's searching and hiring editors for his gaming channel and tweeted as looking for editors HMU if you have experience in gaming videos. We are hiring. So if you are really into games and had experience in editing, then just make a try for it. All the very best. So the next update is about Mr. Beast. Recently Mr. Beast got around 3.5 million subscribers in Mr. Beast channel just in 30 days. OMG. And he made a tweet expecting 4 million subscribers this month. Oh, it's all possible only with Mr. Beast. And he made a Q&A in Instagram as what is one of your favorite games?
Definitely League of Legends. The best video game ever created is League. I don't care what you say.
How didn't you win the sexiest man of the year?
No, I think I forgot to apply or something. I don't know.
Can I call you Giga Daddy?
Y'all are kind of weird.
Is water wet?
hilarious. You guys are so funny.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I don't really know. I mean, I'm obviously still going to be doing YouTube, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, like 5 years ago, I had no money, you know what I mean? And now you see what we're doing now, so it's kind of hard to tell. Things change so quick.
Should I buy you a merch?
I mean, you know, it'd be cool if you did.
Do you watch anime? If yes, what's your favorite?
I still watch anime occasionally. Honestly, last year, I feel like there wasn't that much good stuff. Attack on Titan's really just carrying the whole thing right now. I've been really enjoying that.
Your credit card info da. JK, how tall are you?
Glad you said JK, because I wasn't going to give you my credit card, but I think I'm 6'4". You guys always, when you meet me, are like, wow, you're tall. It's the first thing you guys always say.
How to become a successful YouTuber?
Literally just make good content. Like, people overcomplicate it and they talk about algorithms and this and that, but at the end of the day, if you just make videos people want to watch, you will get views, I promise.
Then you put a poll on, should I do more Q&A? Then 94% people opted for yes.
All right, that's it for today's Q&A. Let me know if you want to do another one here. Also, if you live near Beast Burger, you should order one. They taste pretty good. I'll probably eat one today. All right, vote on the poll. Goodbye.
Who doesn't want another Q&A from Mr. Beast? Cause he is the Mr. Beast. Comment below what's your favorite Q&A. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video. Hit the bell icon, press on all to get the notifications immediately when I post a video. Thank you for watching.